Today I am reviewing KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5 Quart Stand Mixer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to kitchen appliances that stand the test of time, few brands are as iconic as KitchenAid. The Classic Series 4.5 Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer, Model K45SS, is one of the most popular and reliable mixers on the market, and today I'll walk you through its features, performance, and why it's such a staple in so many kitchens. First, let's talk about build quality. The KitchenAid Classic Series is built with a durable, all-metal construction, making it incredibly sturdy and long-lasting. Weighing about 22 pounds, it has the solid heft you want in a mixer, heavy enough to stay stable on your countertop, even when working through dense bread dough or heavy cookie batters. This is not a flimsy appliance. It's designed to last for years, if not decades, with proper care. Moving on to the mixing bowl, you get a 4.5 quart stainless steel bowl that can handle up to 8 dozen cookies in a single batch. That's plenty of capacity for everyday cooking and baking, whether you're making cakes, muffins, pizza dough, or whipped cream. The bowl is dishwasher safe, so cleanup is simple and hassle-free, which is always a plus after a long baking session. The tilt head design is another standout feature. With a simple motion, you can tilt the head back to easily add ingredients or switch out attachments. Once the head is locked in place, the mixer works steadily and securely. This design gives you great access to the bowl without having to wrestle with it, and it's one of the reasons why the Classic Series is so user-friendly. Now, let's talk about power and performance. This model runs on a 275-watt motor, which is more than enough for most household baking and mixing tasks. While it's not the most powerful stand mixer KitchenAid offers, it strikes an excellent balance between performance and affordability. The motor drives the beater with 59 touch points around the bowl, ensuring consistent and thorough mixing every time. You also get 10 different speed settings, giving you complete control over your recipes. On the low end, you can gently stir ingredients together without splattering. In the mid-range, you can knead bread dough or mix cake batters with ease. And at higher speeds, you can whip egg whites or cream into fluffy perfection. The versatility here means you don't need multiple appliances for different tasks. The KitchenAid Classic Series handles it all. This mixer also comes with the essential attachments: a coated flat beater, a coated dough hook, and a 6-wire whip. These cover the majority of mixing needs, from bread and pizza dough to cakes, cookies, and whipped toppings. The coated tools are easy to clean and built to last, while the stainless steel whip is ideal for adding volume to lighter recipes. But where KitchenAid really shines is in its power hub compatibility. The Classic Series mixer can be paired with over 10 optional attachments, everything from pasta makers and food grinders to spiralizers and even ice cream makers. This effectively transforms your stand mixer into a multifunctional kitchen powerhouse. It's not just a mixer, it's a hub for creativity in the kitchen. Aesthetically, the Onyx Black finish gives it a sleek, timeless look that fits beautifully in any kitchen. It's stylish, classic, and designed to be left on your countertop without taking up excessive space. Its compact footprint makes it perfect for both small and large kitchens alike. Of course, no product is without its limitations. Because it's part of KitchenAid's classic line, it's not quite as powerful as the Artisan or Professional series, which means if you're planning to make very large batches of bread dough regularly, you may want a higher-end model. But for everyday baking, desserts, family meals, and holiday cooking, the Classic Series is more than capable. To sum it up, the KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5 Quart Stand Mixer is a reliable, versatile, and durable kitchen appliance that's perfect for home bakers and cooks of all levels. With its solid metal build, 10 speed settings, tilt-head convenience, and compatibility with so many attachments, it's no wonder this mixer has earned a 4.7-star rating from over 11,000 reviews. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned baker looking for a dependable workhorse, this model delivers consistent results every time. If you're looking for a stand mixer that combines performance, durability, and versatility without breaking the bank, the KitchenAid Classic Series is an excellent choice. It's more than just an appliance. It's an investment in better, easier, and more enjoyable cooking for years to come.